Got more turbo parts for the RSX. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, please consider clicking the subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So we got some more turbo parts for the RSX. So we're going to go ahead and open them, go over what's inside. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, we've got a package over here from Jackspania Racing. Now, he is a sponsor of the channel. So when you guys buy something and use the discount code Texas Honda Channel, it does help me. I don't get a big cut or anything like that, but he does supply more parts and continues to help us. So huge shout out to Jackspania and huge shout out to all of you buying parts from him. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. I don't even really know what's in this box at all, but I know they're turbo parts. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So if you haven't already noticed from previous videos, Jackspania has his own tape. It says Jackspania Racing, and I really like that quality touch. It's just the little things like that that really make me happy when opening packages from companies. Most people just package it and just send it, but he's really taken the time to put extra effort into it. And I appreciate that, and I'm sure others do as well. Okay. First thing I'm seeing here is the oil feed line. Really nice quality. You can check that out. Very nice. Really nice quality oil feed line. And all of this stuff that's in here, he does sell on his website. So use that discount code, Texas Honda Channel, all one word in all caps. But yeah, we're definitely going to need the oil feed line, without a doubt. This here is the, okay, so it's the power steering bypass pulley. Really nice quality. You can see that. And this one as well. So I needed this because with my supercharged setup, I had the bypass pulley already on there, but now I don't have that anymore. So it came with this and a brand new belt. So huge thanks to you. Okay, moving on to the next one, we've got this one here. Again, I have no idea what it is. All right. Oh, nice. Yeah. So I've always wanted one of these blow-off valves, and he sent one. So that's awesome. So we're going to have this blow-off valve as opposed to what I usually run. So that's going to be interesting for sure. And as you can see in here, it actually comes with a different spring and some other things. Very nice quality. I'm not just saying that, you guys. I'm not. If there was a problem with the quality, I would tell you guys because honesty is key. But with this stuff, I have yet to find something that is not quality. And I've bought a lot of stuff from Jackspania before the sponsorship, and I just have overall liked the quality of his parts. So moving on to the next box we have. Okay. Looks like the 44 millimeter wastegate. All right, so look at the quality of this thing. It's super nice. The 44 millimeter wastegate. Pretty hard to push. Obviously, it's got a decent spring in it. And the fire ring, very important. Don't want to forget that. So I really like it, and it's V-band, so that'll fit perfect on the manifold. And of course, it came with other wastegate springs, as you can see in here, and some V-band clamps. So perfect. I'm really excited for this build. Okay, now we have this right here, which is the V-band clamps. You're probably wondering, why do we need V-band clamps? This right here is why. So he actually has a downpipe setup for this K-series turbo manifold. So that's very good news. Also, there's even more good news, is he's actually coming out with a Jackspania turbo kit. So if you guys want to get on that, it's a K-series turbo kit, cheaper than like all these other people that make some turbo kits out there. They're really expensive turbo kits. His is actually really nice quality with a lower price. So you're going to definitely want to check into that. He doesn't have it on his store yet, but it will be coming. As you can see here in this little video clip, he's going to be having all this stuff listed on eBay and his store and stuff like that. So definitely want to check that out. And don't forget to use that discount code to save some money. Yeah, look at this quality of this all the way through. Very nice quality, even has an exhaust shock. V-band connections there. Super nice. And this is a 3-inch pipe. Even has the spots for O2s, wide bands. Very nice. I cannot wait to get all of this stuff put on. So I'm going to go ahead and set all this stuff out, and we'll see exactly how much stuff there really is right here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. All right, got everything laid out over here. And this part was at the bottom of the box. I forgot to unbox it, but this bolts to the back of the GT35 82R Turbo. Bolts right on there, and then it will bolt to this downpipe just like this. And this has the proper specs and everything, so I'll link that in the description, and everything else up here I will try to link in the description, including the fuel rail, the bypass, the wastegate, the blow-off valve, and the downpipes, and anything else that I can, I will try to link in the description with the discount code Texas Honda Channel in all caps to save you guys some money. So yeah, can't wait to get all that stuff in. I'm probably going to go ahead and install this since it doesn't take very long to do, just to kind of get it bolted in right there to give you guys some more on this video. But I'm going to go ahead and get you on the tripod. All right, so since I didn't show you how to put this together, I'm going to show you real quick. The jackspania racing part will be outward, and then it actually slides into this little slot on the side. Pretty simple. Then there's a washer and a Allen bolt. Goes through to the back. Got a nut, put that there, and go ahead, get it adjusted to whatever height you need it at, and then we'll just go ahead and tighten it down. So to tighten this bolt down, this is a 5/16 Allen. It fits in there fine. We're just going to tighten it down. Now, I will torque all of this down once we get the belt on and all of that, but get it nice and snug, and then we can adjust the height as we need it. It also came with 2 Allen bolts we're going to go ahead and put in, and it is a 6 on the Allen for that, and we're just going to go ahead and do that. First bolt goes right up top, just like that. And then the second one goes right here. It's really a pretty simple install. Then we'll just have to put the belt on, but I'm not going to worry about that right this minute. All right, and there it is. That's installed. Looks pretty good. I'll just have to feed the belt on. Right now, I don't have a lot of room to work over here without pulling the car out. Can't really move the car without pushing it out of the garage and back in, which it's downhill. So I'm just not going to move it right now. Once we get the intake manifold from Michael, it'll go in, and then we can move it in and out, no problem. So, well, there it is on that. Looks really good. And got all these parts now, so we're one step closer to getting the turbo on the RSX. Now we're still waiting on intercooler. I've got to figure out the piping situation for the intercooler piping. Michael's still sending the Skunk 2 Ultra manifolds. We're waiting on shipping on that. And yeah, definitely making some progress. We still need the oil return and the oil return line piece that goes on the timing cover, which will allow it to drain in through the timing cover instead of having to drill a hole and weld on the oil pan. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. It's really cool, and jackspania makes it. So I'm sure those are going to sell like hotcakes. So definitely want to stay tuned for that. We will be wrapping the turbo manifold and the downpipes with titanium turbo wrap. So that'll be coming out soon. And I'm going to start getting everything kind of bolted up to the turbo manifold and going over all that stuff. So we definitely have more content coming soon. So huge thank you to jackspania. Huge thank you to everyone using the discount codes, because that shows him that it's reaching the target audience. So you guys are doing an awesome job, and it's this because of you. So huge thank you again. But that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some information out of it. There will be much more to come for sure. But I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. But as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.